Hello guys and welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be talking to you about one of the famous destinations of the world, that is the Palm Jebel Ali. Now so far Nakheel, who are the master developers of Palm Jebel Ali, have already launched in fact almost all the fronts here. So you have the A, B, C, D, E. That E front was already launched a few days ago and it is now fully sold out. And the previous year, which is 2024, Nakheel has already launched all of these fronts and they're all sold out. Now, what they have been launching so far is the beach collection. The beach collection consists of 5 and 6 bedroom villas that have private access to the beach. And soon they're going to be launching the 6 bedrooms as well in the near future. Now, what is left and the last front that has not been launched is the F front. So this is the F front, and this is going to be releasing very soon. And if you have not booked a unit here in Palm Jebel Ali, then I do highly recommend you to consider this location as it is one of the lucrative investment opportunities in the UAE. The prices here initially, when it launched last year over here, especially the first 4 fronts, they were starting at 18.1 million dirhams. Now the prices that you are looking at is between 20 to 24 million dirhams. So here we come to the front of the Palm Jebel Ali. So your entrance is basically from here. And you see these villas that start from here all the way up to here. Approximately 1/3 of the front consists of 5 and 6 bedroom beach collection villas. The only villas, basically, this is around the 20 mark of million, because the prices here will be around 20 to 24 million. After that, Nakheel will be launching the 6 bedroom villas that will basically start from here all the way up to here. And the prices here will start from 31 million, 33 million. This is based on the previous launches of the previous fronts. Then you will also have the plots that's going to start from here all the way up to the end of the front. These are going to start from 38 million going up to 68 million. So in terms of the best priced opportunity, then we do have the beach collection that's going to be releasing very soon for the F front. When it comes to the payment plan, here it's going to be 80-20, 80% during construction and 20% on handover, which is expected by the end of 2028. So if you are interested and would like to book your unit here so you don't miss the opportunity of one of the remarkable destinations in the world, the Palm Jebel Ali, then all you've got to do is get in touch with me, call or WhatsApp me, and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.